Hey everybody, welcome to Bodhi Wellness. Today we're talking elbow pain. Now I know a lot of people out there suffer with either acute or chronic pain in the elbow, and whether it's lateral epicondylitis or medial epicondylitis, otherwise commonly known as tennis or golfer's elbow, there's lots of different ways that this can manifest. But the reality is it's either a combination of tightness or weakness. And so we're going to be showing you some simple exercises today to alleviate that pain that you can do in the comfort of your own home. We're going to show 4 static stretches and 2 dynamic flexibility stretches, what are called as nerve flosses. They are very simple to do and can alleviate a lot of the pain that you suffer with. So first up, number 1, we're going to start with some simple static stretches. We're going to lock the elbow and we're going to flex the wrist. We're going to take the opposite hand and we're going to press down on the hand, so not on the fingers, but on the hand, pressing in, and we're going to hold this for a count of 10 breaths as we stretch all the extensor compartment in the forearm. So we're going to hold here, nice 10 breaths, about a minute. Then number 2, we're going to flip the hand over, so we're going to supinate the hand. We're going to extend the wrist down once again. This time we're going to pull the fingers back, not the hand this time, we're going to pull the fingers back. Once again, making sure that the elbow is nice and locked, and we're going to hold this for a count of 10 breaths. Number 3, we're going to bend the arm to 90 degrees, and we're going to supinate the hand, twisting the palm towards you. You're going to reach around, grabbing what's called the thenar eminence, the big chunk of meat, the thumb, on the hand there, and we're going to twist out, supinating the hand as far out as we can, and we want to maintain that 90-degree bend in the elbow at all times. Once again, we're going to hold for 10 breaths. Finally, we're going to pronate the hand, turning the palm away, keeping once again that 90-degree bend in the elbow, grabbing around the thumb once again, and we're going to twist the hand out into pronation. Same thing, 10 breaths, nice and easy. So to recap, we're going to lock the elbow, pressing down on the hand, 1, flipping the hand over, grabbing the fingers, pulling back, 2, bending to 90 degrees, reaching around, supinating the hand, 3, pronating the hand, grabbing around the hand, pronating out, 4. So these are 4 simple static stretches that you can do. Now we're also going to look at if there's a potentiality that the nerve, either the radial, medial, or ulnar nerve is entrapped, either in the elbow, or the tricep, or through the shoulder. So we're going to show you 2 different nerve flosses. So number 1, we're going to bend the elbow slightly, bending the wrist up, and we're going to turn the hand in as far as we can, turn it back, internally rotating the arm, and at the same time we're going to tip the head to the same side as the hand. So this is tracking the nerve, pulling the nerve all the way down towards your thumb and index finger. And then as we twist out, we're going to tip the head away from, now we're pulling the nerve up towards the neck, releasing the tension on the nerve, tipping back, turning the wrist as far as we can turn back, tipping the head. So we're creating slack in the nerve here, creating tension in the nerve, going the opposite way. So we tip in, we tip away, we tip in, and we tip away. We can do this for 10 repetitions, nice and slowly. We don't want to do anything obviously to the point of pain, but we want to make sure we feel a nice bit of tension on it. Now last, we're going to do another tractioning exercise or dynamic flexibility. And same thing, we're going to be tipping the wrist down this time. And as we tip the wrist down, we're going to tip the head to the same side as the wrist. As we tip the head away, the hand comes up. Hand goes down, head comes towards, head goes away, hand goes up. And same thing, we're going to be flossing the nerve back and forth, moving through nice and gentle, 10 repetitions. Now, this is something that can be done 2 or 3 times a week. Doesn't matter when you do it. With static flexibility, we tend to like to make sure that you're at least warm. So middle of the afternoon or best time is actually before bed. But if you do any activity, if you go to the gym or you go to yoga, always do it after your activity. Static flexibility, static stretching after flexibility. The dynamic flexibility, this kind of dynamic flexibility, you can do before activity, not a problem. Otherwise, you can do it all together at the end. So pretty simple, 6 exercises to get rid of that terrible pain in the elbow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you share this with as many people as you can. Help me to help other people. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching.